Hello, lovelies. Welcome back once again to Oboma Hub. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell to be notified on every tutorials that I put here. So today we are going to prepare a nice, delicious, hot, and authentic shito. Yes, the ingredients I'll be using will be in the description box below. So let's get started. So to start with, I blended some ginger, garlic and onions. And with what I have some colander to strain out the juice from it, and I'll use the remaining water from the juice to blend the onion. Yes, that was what I did. And after, I place it on fire for all the water to drain out of it, as you can see it. Yes, this is so simple. It helps and prevents me from stirring the shito continuously from the beginning. So as more water is out of it, I then added some oil, yes, that I used in frying. I used this oil in frying some fishes and chicken, yes, so I'm using the same oil to do my shito. I continually stir this frequently to prevent my shito from getting burnt or from it to taste so bitter. Yes, when the shito gets burnt, it tastes so bitter. Yes, so as you can see, I'm adding some tomato paste to it, and this won't be as much. If this is much in your shito, it's going to spoil easily. Yes, so as you can see, I'm stirring it up frequently. I did this on a moderate heat, not too much fire in it, because if the fire is too much, it's going to get burnt. So as in the process, I got ready and chopped some meat to be fried. So I steamed this, and when it was ready, I fried this until it was very dry. Yes, there was no moist in it because I don't want my shito to get spoiled easily. So the meat in it got very dry. So as in the process, I continually stirred my shito to prevent it from getting burnt as always. So as you can see, there is little water in it. Yes, the water is getting dry up, and as you can see, yes, my shito is getting ready, and you can hear the smell from here. Can't you hear it, guys? Yes, this will taste so nice. So as you can see, more moisture was out of it. So this is my dry ingredient as well. This is my powdered chili pepper, some powdered spices. Yes, you can use any spices of your choice. And this is some pounded dry fish. Yes, I didn't make this smooth because I want to have some chewed when eating with my shito, and I had this powdered fish also. It was dry, but you can see this is smooth, and this is my shrimp powdered fish. Yes, so I'm going to use all this for my shito. So as said earlier on, I'm stirring this frequently to prevent it from getting burnt. This shito will taste so nice. So I first saw that the color or the shito was really getting ready, so I added my powdered chili pepper and stirred it up. During this process, as where we've gotten to, all the dry ingredients is going to soak our oil up. So I poured in my pounded spices, as you can see. Yes, so I stirred this frequently. This stage, if you don't take care, yes, it's going to get burnt. So your fire should be on a moderate heat. So this is my powdered shrimps spices. Yes, some onga cube. You can use any spices of your choice. So I added this up, and this is my powdered fish also, and I added this up. This is going to soak up all the oil, and trust me, if the fishes or powdered fish are much in your shito, it's going to taste so nice. So in this process, when the powdered pepper is much, it's going to make the shito more plentier, and if you want it more, you can add more oil to it. So I continually stirred this as in the process. So I added my powdered shrimps pepper. So you know shrimps really taste well. So I added this also, and I think this is the last dry ingredient I'm putting in. And after, I'll add some salt to taste if that wasn't okay. Please don't add the salt first. Please add up all the dry ingredients, and if you taste it when it's not okay for you, then you can just add some little salt to taste. When the shito is very hot, you can't have the taste really good, but when it's dry or when it gets cool, you can really get the taste of it. So please don't pour in much salt. My shito was getting ready, so I added the dry meat that I fried. You can see this is very dry, there is no moist in it, and this won't make my shito get spoiled. So as said earlier on, you see, when I added all the dry ingredients, the oil was soaked up by my dry ingredients. So I tasted it, and the taste wasn't well okay for me. It was okay, alright, but I added some little salt to add more taste to it, and the shito was ready. I don't want my shito too dark, so I left it on fire for 5 minutes, and it was ready. You can place them in your bottles. So as this is down, the oil will settle up on top, and this will last long. If you don't want it to put it down this way, you can keep them in your bowls and freeze them in your freezer. You can also put it in your fridge, and it will last long. So this is good to go with your yam, your kinke, your wache, your rice, your fried yam, your banku, anything of your choice. You know, shito is good to go with most meal. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for your girl. Please share and like this video. Thanks for watching. Please be here for more.